Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can make real money online. There are a lot of different ways to do this, but I'm going to focus on a few of the most popular and easiest ones. So, here are 4 ways to make real money online. Freelance work. This is a great way to make money if you have skills in writing, editing, web design, programming, or marketing. There are a number of websites where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion for something, you can start a blog or YouTube channel to share your knowledge and expertise with others. Once you have a large enough audience, you can start making money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. Take online surveys. This is a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. There are a number of websites that will pay you to take online surveys. Sell products online. You can sell products online through your own website, or through a marketplace like Amazon or eBay. If you're not sure what to sell, you can start by selling products that you already own. As a bonus, I want to share one more way to make real money online. Invest in yourself. This could mean taking courses to improve your skills, attending conferences to network with other professionals, or starting your own business. Investing in yourself is the best way to ensure that you have the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in the online world. So, those are just a few of the ways you can make real money online. If you're looking for a way to make extra money or start a new career, I encourage you to check out these options. Thanks for watching.